Just in time. That's right. Just in time. Just in time for what?
Just in time to go on a treasure hunt with us.
What do you think about that, Cat? Darn kids. Oh. Cat, you nearly got it. Didn't even know.
Check it out. To open the golden treasure chest, the map says we need to find three keys. And the first key is the blue sapphire key.
Say key. Water spinning down me drain.
Spins around and around in a circle. It's a vortex. In the ocean, that spinning fluid is water. And if we sail into a vortex, that spinning water could sink our ship.
What do you think, Pinwheel? Can you sail us around that vortex? If anyone can
Golly, Cat.